So today I'm at Epcot. I'm going to try the Regal Eagle Smokehouse. It's in the American Pavilion in World Showcase. So they have a real authentic barbecue pit here in the restaurant, and as you can see, it's smoking away. So I think it'll be pretty good. They have all kind of sauces here. There's ketchup, classic smokehouse, savory spice, vinegar base, and sweet mustard. So these are the different sauces: the original, spicy, vinegar, and mustard. I got the dry rub Memphis ribs with onion rings and a cornbread. So it's supposed to be like, you know, authentic smoked meats. So let's try it. So it looks pretty good. I'm gonna try the original sauce. So it's very good, it's very tasty. I know that real barbecue has a very subtle smoky flavor. It's not, you know, like, it's not like a fake barbecue. I think this is the real thing. It's very good. I'm gonna try the spicy sauce. It's maybe not as tender as I maybe thought it should be. It's not like fall off the bone tender, but it's very tasty. It tastes good, which is probably the most important thing. I'll try the vinegar sauce next. Yeah, it's more vinegary. I think I like the original sauce, but let me try the mustard sauce. I think out of the four of them, I would go with the original barbecue sauce. That's kind of the safest. If you like mustard or vinegar, you could, or spicy, you could go with one of the others. But overall, this is a very good barbecue. Yeah, the more I eat this, to me the most important part is the very subtle smoky flavor. You know, if you make, you know, at a regular, you know, restaurant that's not true barbecue, they slather it up with barbecue sauce, and it's, you know, it's not real barbecue. This one is. This is the real deal, and it's very tasty. The meat is a little pink inside, and there's a sign that says, you know, the pink color comes from the barbecue, and it's not undercooked. It's cooked, and I guess that's another sign of real barbecue is the meat would be pink. I was pleasantly surprised that, you know, one of the sides choices is onion rings. They also have fries, and let me take a look at the menu to see what else they have. But the fries are, yeah, they're the real deal. Real onion rings with a crispy batter. Yeah, it's very good. The cornbread, to tell you the truth, is a little small, but I guess it's enough, you know, for the meal. Let me try it. it's regular cornbread. It tastes a little dry, but it's still fine. So yeah, it's okay. So since eating barbecue is very messy, especially with your hands, they have a conveniently located sink where you can wash your hands. So overall, the ribs were very good. I feel like it's authentic barbecue, and while the meat wasn't exactly fall off the bone tender, it was very tasty nonetheless, and I would definitely get it again. The only downside is the cornbread was very dry, and also the little cups for the sauce are very tiny, so you can't really dip the ribs in them. They have 4 different sauces, so you want to try all of them, but you could always pour the sauce over the ribs, but it's not good for dipping. This place used to sell hamburgers and hot dogs. I don't remember what it was called, but this is definitely an upgrade from the old restaurant, selling ribs, chicken, and beef brisket sandwiches. So I would definitely check this out. Okay, thanks a lot.